bob season, coming crazy. It's summer, so.
Girl, out. No, no!
Hey guys, it's NayfromVA and we're back at it again, and we're outside again because everybody in my house want to be somewhere, so we're just gonna chill out here. Oh my god, the sunflowers. But today I have a hair review slash how we're gonna make this wig work, you know. It's a 8-inch bob wig from Slove here on AliExpress. It's the second time I've ordered from them. Same thing, I ordered the same thing. Last time I got it in 10 inches, this time I got it in 8 inches, which is grandma length, but we're gonna make it work. I just didn't want to cut it again because last time I cut it, it was probably like right here, and I cut it to, I don't know how, but I cut it extra short. So there's no point of me buying an extra 2 inches when I could just pay the $40 instead of $50. So this is what it came in. It came yesterday or the day before, and I ordered it maybe like 4 days before that. So very fast shipping. DHL know what they're doing, but it is from China and it will take at least 4 days probably. DHL ships it and they know what they're doing, and they'll have your stuff to you early. So this is the box it came in. It says 100% human hair, natural, beauty, and comfortable. Thanks to Destiny. They don't know English for real, so I'm with this. It says top quality, tangle free, setting free, and on the back it has some hair care tips, and how to review. They always want reviews. So when you open it up, I already opened it, but yeah, we have this little pamphlet in here, and it has the name Slove Hair right here and their contact information. In here you get like some of the top styles, how to take care of the hair, stuff like that, and how to review again, and what you can get if you review multiple times. It also came with a free wig cap, and this is luckily a color that will match me. So yeah, it comes with 2 of them too. Yeah, I love that. And it comes with a little band that you can use to make your wig glueless. I already have elastic, but and I don't like it to be this thin because it gives me headaches, but that's not a problem. This is still good, you know. So into the unit. So I told you it's 8 inches. I don't know if this is a, I don't know if this is a 13 by 6 or a 13 by 4. Low-key it looked like a 13 by 6, but I don't even remember purchasing that. I just picked a random junk. I guess it's a 13 by 6 because this is definitely longer than 4 inches. So they rocks with me, you heard? Yeah, this definitely looks like a 13 by 6. So it has 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and 1 like at the end of the frontal. It's 8 inches once again. You see, it was very shiny in the sun. It's very soft. I'm not getting any shedding as I pull through, but you know, that doesn't mean anything. It's definitely not pre-plucked, and I definitely am gonna have to bleach it, but that ain't no problem. I already knew that. And it has like those little stretchy things, the adjustable straps in it in the back. In the back it has like a little bit of lace in the back too. But yeah, the lace is a light brown color. This is gonna take a lot of plucking, but I mean, this wig was only $40. It was like $39.95 or something like that. And 4 plucks, and I'm gonna pluck them.
I told her never slip. I told her if they hate, it's cause they see it. You can be the best, you gotta believe it. Now we got bitches who aim if they enemies envy us because we eatin'. Now we get money, it's sunny on season. If they get too close, just give me a reason. She don't talk too much, talk shit and she squeezing. I love my bitch, she only wanna be rich. She only wanna see digits. Killing the opposition, ain't no competition. XXL bitches, we just gotta get it. We just gotta flex on bitches who said that we couldn't win it. They missing it, I'm on some other shit. At the top, man, I am loving it. He said that he loved me, I'll never put trust in him because I got iCarly. We ballin' hard like Barkley. Baby boy, I am so sorry. Bougie bitch, she is so carefree. My best friend, iCarly. With my bitch, iCarly. Bitch, iCarly. Swear that she's so gnarly, yeah. With my bitch, iCarly. She'll never snitch, iCarly, yeah. That's my bitch, iCarly. That's my bitch, she'll never snitch, yeah. That's my bitch, iCarly. Swear that bitch so gnarly. That's my bitch, iCarly. She's so rad, iCarly, yeah. Catch me with her, iCarly, yeah. Stupid ass bitch. Who the fuck you think you fucking talking to? Like, my bitches will fucking kill you, my nigga. Fuck you talking about y'all out here.